Good morning, student. Myself Amit Maheshwari, and today I'm going to start your exercise 2.6. So, your first question is select the correct answer from the alternate given against each of the following. You have to multiply 0 by 5, 0.5 multiply by 7. Okay, just look here on the board. You have to multiply 0.5, or you have to say 0 decimal 5. Okay, point is known as in decimal in math. So 0.5 multiply by 7. So don't worry about 5, just simply multiply 7 5s are 35. Now after decimal, how many digits are there? Only one. After decimal there are only one digit. So from the back side, after one digit you have to put the decimal and it is your answer. So your answer is 3.5. Okay. So your answer is 3.5. Now just see here 3.5, just take on 3.5. Question number 1. Now come on second one. Second question is 4.38 multiply by 5. Okay, just see here. Question is 4.38 multiply by 5. So don't worry about decimal now, just do simply multiply. 5 is a 40, 0 carry 4. Now 3 5 is a 15 and 4 19 carry 1 and 5 4 is a 20 and become 21. So you will get what? 2190. So after decimal, how many digits are 2? So from the back side, put the decimal after 2 digits. So it become 21.90, and after decimal, the decimal which is present at the last, they are useless. So either you can write or not write, they are useless. So your answer is 2.21.90, or you can write here 21.9 only, because this 0 is useless. So your answer is 21.9 here. It is your correct answer. Okay. Now come on the next question. 0.8 multiply by 0.06. Just see here. 0.08 multiply by 0.6. Okay. I'm just seeing the question. 0.08 multiply by 0.8. Sorry. It is what? 0.8 only. It is 0.8 multiply by 0.06. So don't worry about the decimal, just to simply multiply. 8 7s are 8 6 are 48. Now after decimal, how many digit are there? Here after decimal 2 digit, and here after decimal 1 digit. What I am telling, after decimal here 2 digit and here 1 digit, total 3 digit are there. So from the back side, put the decimal after 3 digits. So it is 48 already now. Then 1 digit, 2 digit, not 3 digit is present here. So from your side you have to introduce 0 here. Now become 3 digit. Now put the decimal. Now in just starting of the decimal, always put 0. So your answer is 0.048. Your answer is 0.048. So it is the correct action, that is option number C. Now question number 4. 5870 multiply by 10. Okay. So when you it is a trick that when you, the trick is like that one: driving license and MR, medical representative. In divide decimal move left side, and in multiply decimal move right side. It is a shortcut. DL means driving license, MR is medical representative. So what is the meaning of DL? In divide decimal move to left side, and in multiply decimal move to right side. Okay. So when you multiply by 10, so in multiply, that is decimal move to what? Right side. And how many 0 are there? Only one. Then this decimal shift to one place. If they are 2 0, then decimal shift to 2 place. If they are 3 0, then decimal shift to 3 place. Okay. But to the right side. Now 5.873 is there. Now just see here. It is 5.387, then multiply by 10, suppose. So in multiply, decimal shift to right side na. So right side, this come to this side. 1 0, then it moves to only one place. So your answer will become 353.87. It is 00, then move to 2 place, then it come here. If 30, then come to this place. So final answer is 53.87. 58.73, sorry. Your answer is 58.73. Okay, now come on question number 5. Question number 5 is 0.03 into multiply by 2. So when you multiply 0 by 03 into 2, what you get? 3 2 is 6. Now after decimal 2 digits, so from the back side put the decimal after 2 digit. So you get 0.06 here, and then plus 0.1 into 0.9. So it becomes 9 ones are 9. after decimal one digit, after decimal one digit, to total after decimal two digit are there. So from the back side put the decimal after two digit. Now simply add, what will you get? 9 6 15 and then 0, so you will get 0.15. so your answer is what? 0.15. that is option number A is correct. Now come on, question number 6. Question number 6 is that find the product 1.8 into 10. Okay, as I told you, when you multiply by when you multiply the decimal shift to right side na, so 1.8, just see here, it is 1.8 multiplied by 10, only 1 0, and this decimal shift to only one side, it will become 18 point. If nothing, then write 0 from your side. So your answer is only 18. So your answer is only 18. But I am going to explain here with actual calculation. See here, it is 1.8 into 10. When you multiply by 10, it becomes this side, then you write here, then write 1 0. This 0 is useless, so your only 18 is your answer. Okay, now just see here, 1.73 100 is there, so this decimal moves to two place na, right side. Right side is here, that is mr na, multiply shift to right side, how many decimal? 2. So one place, two place, in decimal will come here. So when it will come, it becomes 173.0 and 0 is useless, so you write only 173. Now just see here, it become up to three place na. So 1.73 is there, when you multiply by 1000, it become 3 place. So right here 173. Now just count 1 place, 2 place, and it count up to 3 place na. 3 place is not present here, from the your side introduce 1 0 here, then write one decimal, it is useless. So your answer is 1730. you will get this answer. Now come on here, 10, then this decimal come to this side only one time, only 1 0 is there, so your answer becomes 0.8. always remember mr, multiply you have to shift to right, if it is divide then you have to shift to left. Okay, now just come on the next question. 7 into 9, 0.9, just multiply 7 9s are 63, so just write here 63. Now after decimal only one digit, from the back side put the decimal after only one digit, so you will get 6.3. now 2.5 into 3, don't worry about decimal, just do normal calculation. Multiply 25 by 3, 25 is the 25, 25 to the 50, 25 3 is the 75, so it becomes 75. now after decimal one digit, after decimal one digit, only two digit are there, so from the back side put the decimal after two digit, so put one decimal here and choose 1 0. So your answer is 0.75. if you don't know the table, then don't worry, just do normal calculation. 25 multiplied by 0.3, when you multiply, you will get only 7075. you will, what you get when you add 075. now after one digit, two decimal are there, from the back side put the decimal, then you will get your answer. Okay, now come on D part. D part is 0.2 into 316.8. So don't bother about the decimal. First do normal multiply as you do. 0.2 you multiply, then you will get, when you add, you will get that answer now. Now what you do, from the after decimal one digit, after decimal one digit, total two digit are there. So from the back side put the decimal after two digit, then you will get your answer. Okay, now come on F part. All of you know how to multiply now, because you are the class 7 student, you know how to multiply. You have to study all these things in class 3rd, 4th and 5th. Now just see here, you have to multiply 1005 by 105. So don't bother about the decimal. First do normal multiply. Multiply 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 zeros are 0, then become 2, then 5 0 0, 5 ones are 5. Like that one you have to multiply and then add. You will get that number now. Now after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit, total 4 digit are there. So from the back side, after 4 digit, you have to put the decimal and you will get your answer. So your answer is 10.5525. Now come on, question number 8. Find the product. 1.1 multiply 1.2 multiply 1.3. Okay, just look at the second method. It is very easy. First you have to multiply 1 by 1 into 1.2. 1 by 1 into 1.2. What will you get here? 2 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, and 2 ones are 2. Okay, next term, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Now simply add, you will get 132. Now after decimal one digit, after decimal one digit, it become what? From the back side you have to put the decimal for two digit, then it become 1.32. Now what you do, multiply 11 into 12. Just look at the question, multiply 11 into 12. Now you multiply 11 into 12, whatever you get, that answer you have to multiply by 1.3. So you have to multiply by what? 1.3. Your answer, this answer you have to multiply by what? 1.3. Now just do simple multiply. 3 2 ja 6. You get here 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, Now 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. Now simply add. When you add, it become what? 1716. Now just see here, after decimal how many digits are there? 2. After decimal there are 1 digit, total 3 digits are there. So from the back side put the decimal after 3 digit, then you will get your answer. Your answer is 1.716. It is your final answer, 1.716. Now come on question number 9. Question number 9 is that if 3.341 multiplied by 13 is equal to this, then find without actual multiplication. Okay, find without actual multiplication. Okay, this value is given here, this value is given here, this result without multiply you have to find the answer. Now just see here, just see decimal after 3 digit, so you get decimal from the backside after 3 digit. Now come on the next question. Here decimal after 3 digit, number of digit after decimal they are 3, and here 1, total become 4. So from the back side in this number, from the back side put the decimal after 4 digit, then you will get 4.3433. you have to use, take the help of this equation. There is no need to do calculation. Now come on that one. After decimal how many digits are there? 3, and here 2, total 5 are there. So write that number, whatever given here without decimal, whatever given in the question, write that number, and from the back side put the decimal after 5 digit. So it becomes where 1 2 3 4 5. So it becomes 0.4343. It is your final answer. Okay, now come on next one. After decimal only 2 digits are there, no problem, just write that answer whatever given the question, and from the back side, from the back side you have to put the decimal after 2 digit only, you will get your answer. Come on the D part. After decimal 1 digit, and after decimal 2 digit, total 3 digit are here, then write the answer whatever given the equation, and from the back side put the decimal after 3 digit, and you will get your answer. So your answer is 43.433. It is a logic question only, no calculation is needed there. Calculation is already given here in the question. This is multiply this equal to this. Now total 3 decimal, so from the back side put the decimal after 3. Now simply count the number of digits after decimal. 3 and 1 become 4. Now from back side that is what a 4 digit, like that one you have to solve. Now come on question number 10. A motor, okay, just look at your book. Question number 10 is that a motor bike cover a distance of 69.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will be covered in 4.5 liter of petrol? Okay, 1 liter petrol it will travel. Now just see, 1 liter it can travel 69.3. So in 4.5 liter petrol it will travel more than or less than? In 1 liter they travel 69.3 km. So in 4.5 liter they will travel more na. So in more we always have to multiply. So you have to write 69.3 multiply by 4.5. Okay, so you have to do multiply here. Now look at the question. Distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is this much. Distance covered is 4.5 liter. In 1 liter you travel this much. If you have 4 liter then you will travel more na. In more you have to do multiply. Now do normal multiply. 69.3 by 4 by 5, you get that answer. Now after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit, total 2 digit are there. So in your answer from the back side after 2 digit you have to put the decimal, you will get your answer. So your answer is 311.85 kilometer. So in language you have to write here, bike will cover 311.85 kilometer in 2.5 liter of petrol. Okay, now come on the next question. Next question is, the cost of one cricket ball is this. Find the cost of 100 such cricket ball. Now you have to tell. Suppose one ball you have to bring for 10, then 2 ball you have to bring for 20, then 3 ball you have to bring for 30 na. So it will be become more na. So in more, when number of ball will become more, then price will become more. So in more you have to do multiply. Now just look at the solution. Solution is that the cost of one cricket ball is this. So cost of 100 cricket ball will be more. In more you have to do multiply. So it is by shortcut you have to use multiply by 20. Multiply means right side. So you shift the decimal up to 2 place to the right side. So it become what? It become 1208 already. When this decimal move from 8 to 2 place, 1 place and 2 place not present here. So from your side you have to increase 1 0 and write the decimal here. These are useless, so don't write. So your answer is 12080. 12080. If you don't understand that concept, so simply you have to multiply by 100, you will get your answer. Now come on, question number 12. Question number 12 is that a worker get 46.3 per hour. Okay, per hour, per means 1 here, per means 1 here. So for 1 hour they get rupees 46.3. Now for 2 hour they will get more. If suppose you have to work for 1 hour, you will get this much rupees. So if you have to work for 2 hour, you will get more rupees, and you have to work for 7.5 hour, again you have to get more rupees. So in more you have to do multiply. Okay, so you have to write here, a worker get for 1 hour. 1 hour how much money they get? Rupees 46.3. So worker get for 7.5 hour. For 7.5 hour they will get more. More means multiply. So you have to multiply it 46.3 by 7.5. Now just do normal multiply. All of you know how to multiply. 46.3 multiply by 7 by 5. So when you multiply here and then plus, what will you get here? 34725. Now I'm not going to explain like that one. 5 3 is a 15, carry 1, 5 6 is a 31, 31 become 3, 5 4 is 20 and then 23. It is a small child concept now. So when you multiply you will get that number. Now after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit, total 2 digit are there. So from the back side put the decimal after 2 digit, you will get your answer. So your answer is 347.25. So you have to write here, amount got for 7.5 hour is equal to rupees 247.25, and it is your final answer. So if you have any doubt in any question of exercise 2.6, you can ask me now, and remaining question of this exercise which I did not explain here, you have to do in homework. Thank you.